As you enter the once small community of Watford City, you're sure to see a lot of these. Rigs can be found all across western North Dakota drilling for oil. North Dakota follows Texas as the second largest oil producer in the United States. Chelsea Bolzomi grew up in Watford City and recently returned home after college in 2015.
And it was a town of 1,400 people, and now they're just guessing. It's probably around 10,000 people.
Chelsea lives in Watford City with her husband and 2 daughters and still considers it a small town.
It's grown a lot. We have a lot of new amenities, the new Rough Rider Center, the new high school, and of course the new hospital. But it's still the same small town where the people are still friendly and everyone still cares about each other, and it still feels like a small town to us.
Sanford Health started providing healthcare services in Watford City in 2015 inside a modular clinic. It has now opened a new clinic on the campus of McKenzie County Healthcare Systems.
Yeah, this new clinic started years ago when we started developing a partnership with McKenzie County Health Systems, and we had the ability to come to town, but we had to come in with a modular clinic because of the needs and the wants out of this community from Sanford at that particular time.
The new clinic space features 12 exam rooms, twice as many as the previous location, providing family medicine services and walk-in clinic services, as well as a handful of specialty services, including cardiology, obstetrics and gynecology, orthopedics, pediatrics, and podiatry. When Chelsea and her husband Monty moved here in 2015, Chelsea was 20 weeks pregnant. She started seeing Dr. Audrey McMacken, an OBGYN at Sanford Health West Dickinson Clinic. But at that time, Chelsea had to travel to Dickinson for her appointments.
Having the doctors come here to Watford City is a huge time saver for us with our busy schedules. And then also in the winter, it's just really nice not having to get on the icy roads. And then also with the girls at the young age, it's always nice not having to travel with kids in the car.
Chelsea's girls, Noelle and Amelia, are also seen in Watford City by Dickinson pediatrician Dr. Mark Ricks.
It's great having them here in town. You can tell that they really care about our community as much as our local providers do. And to have those specialty services here to bridge the gap with our local hospital is just a great service for this community.
Sanford Health's outreach is something that hits home for Vice President of Operations Fred Fridley.
It does mean a lot for me from a personal standpoint, but also from a community standpoint, because growing up here, we didn't have access really to pediatricians. We didn't have access to cardiologists, orthopedic surgeons, OBGYN docs. We had to travel outside of Watford City for all those appointments, and now having the ability to bring those here to this community is very gratifying, not only for me personally, but makes me proud to be a Sanford employee, work for Sanford, and be able to bring these types of services to rural areas where in the past when I was growing up you had to travel no matter what.
With this new clinic, Sanford Health plans to use the extra room for future providers and specialty care. I'm John Berg for Sanford Health News.